guys, it's Matt, and today I wanted to do a quick review of the Bonus Builder AI platform. And I'm on the website right here. It's the Results with Kevin AI. This was created by Kevin Fay, and he did the Bonus Builder AI that creates everything you need to get good quality bonuses, and to get all the marketing materials you need. You know, the bonus landing page where you can send your traffic and they can see your bonuses, what you're going to give them if they buy through your link. So we're going to do just a real quick little thing here. I'm going to go to grab, I thought I already grabbed it, but I guess not. Oh, I didn't go to the sales page. So we're going to go to this one. What was it? It's royalty profits. We'll just go to the page and make sure it loads. And then we're just going to copy the link. You can copy the link and put it in, or you can go ahead and do a screenshot of the landing page and upload it here. But doesn't seem to be working. Oh, there we go. And then we'll just create a bonus for this product page. And then we'll hit it, and it will work on it. And in a few seconds, it will give you some ideas for bonuses that it can create for you. So it'll give you 10 high converting bonuses. And it tells you here, Royalty Profits AI is a powerful tool for creating KDP books quickly. My job as your bonus builder AI bot is to create a highly relevant and easy to produce bonuses that maximize value of this software for your customers. And then it gives you 10 bonuses, the AI Publishers API Quick Start Guide, 50 high profit, low competition KDP niche starters. That one's pretty good. KDP listing optimization and ranking checklist, 7-day new book launch email sequence templates, Beyond Amazon global publishing cheat sheet. So you can pick 3 or 4 or 5 of these bonuses and tell the bonus builder AI to create them. So let's say 2, we'll create 2, and 7, the passive income stacking blueprint. So we'll say 2 and 7, and then it's going to go ahead and create an outline for number 2, and then it's going to ask you to approve the outline. Say to you, does this detailed outline for bonus number 2, 50 high profit, low competition KDP niche starters, meet your expectations? So you can look through it and see, but we're just going to say yes. And then it will create the bonus for you. And it'll create a 6,000 word bonus. So you can see here, bonus 2, 50 high profit, low competition KDP niche starters. Your fast track to royalty profits, eliminating the KDP research guesswork. Total value $97. And then it will give an introduction, and it'll go into it. The niche gap, why this bonus is essential, and it says why your bonus is good and why you need it, and how to use the guide. And then it gives you the low competition niche strategy, and it just goes through and creates you a nice bonus that you can go ahead, once it's done, which takes a minute or two, and it'll go through and create everything for you. And once it's done, you can just highlight it and copy and paste to like a Google Doc, or you can go right here and just copy it Okay, does this detailed outline for bonus number 7, the passive income stacking blueprint, meet your expectations? So it went ahead and created your uh, first bonus, and then see that completes your full content of bonus 2. So bonus 2 is all above here, and then this is bonus 7 outline. So you just approve it, say yes, and it will create bonus 7 for you. And what I was saying, I do a lot of times with these is I'll just go like this once it's done and just copy the whole thing and just copy it and then go into a Google Doc and just paste it into a Google Doc. And then you can do whatever you want to it in the Google Doc. With Google Docs, you can download it as a PDF and you could host it on your website or online. And then you could give the bonus to people that way. If you host it online, they'll generally create a link for you and you can uh, take the link, and that's how you deliver your bonus is through a link. Or you can send the PDF. You can do an autoresponder and do the PDF and attach it to the first email when they join your list. That's another option of how to deliver the bonuses. Now, once it's done here, it will generate headlines and it'll say, let me know your preferred headline and style preferences for the bonus page. So, what were the headlines? We got to go back up to the headlines. And here's the head. Oh, wait. Optimization. Oh, here we go. No, this is the end. The complete bonus. Oh, here we go. Bonus 2, bonus 7. Now I'll generate the following for you: headline options, bonus page outline, and style consultation. So the headlines: headline 1, focus on speed and profit. Stop guessing. Get our 50 high profit niche starters and the $30 customer stacking blueprint free when you grab Royalty Profits AI today. Headline 2, focus on automation and strategy. Unlock Royalty Profits AI and our exclusive 2-part bonus, the Niche Finder Guide and Passive Income Stacking System, the $244 value. Focus on risk elimination. I think I like 2, so let's go with 2. You'll hit 2, and then it'll ask you these questions, or you could just put it all in here. The other option is you can go down here and click on one of these, and it will create has a prompt, and you can just take these prompts and stick them in there. Just copy and paste it in there. If you can get without the top line. And, and you just copy if you like that design, you can copy that and say, make it similar to the landing sales page and use this style. And then we got to take out this very first line. And once we do that, it will work on creating your bonus page and the HTML code for it. So here's the HTML code. It's creating the code. And then once it finishes with that, it'll ask you if you want more stuff, if you want social media posts, which it can create for you. It'll create emails for you. So once it creates your code, then you just go back up. Oop, went too far. You go back up to the top and you can copy it right here, or you can download it here, or you can copy it here. Just copy it, and then you can look at it by going to an editor or saving it to your computer. I'm using a Chromebook, so I can't just like save it to the computer and then double click on it and open it up like you can on a regular computer, and it doesn't work that way on this one. So I just copy and paste, and then this is the page it created. And you can go through and adjust stuff in here. Uh, you can go back and say, "Oh, I forgot," which I did. I forgot to tell it to add my affiliate link, which it will do. And you can just say, "Add this affiliate link to the buttons," and then paste in. Oops. And then just paste in your. Just put it. Add this affiliate link, and then just whatever.com, and you do that, and then it will just add it to the code, and you'll be able to. But if we want to look at the page, unlock royalty profits, AI, and our explosive 2-part bonus, the niche finder guide, and passive income stacking system. Get the AI software that creates books in 6 minutes, plus our 2 exclusive guides that guarantee you pick a profitable niche and maximize your royalties. And then it says, yes, I want royalty profits. It's got a button that will go to your affiliate link. And put an image in there that we'll have to delete or do something with. Why royalty profits? AI needs this bonus, and it explains why and how you can take advantage of the bonus, why you need the bonus. I don't know why it created images. Try to create images, but you can change them. You can go back into the code and change them, or you can just go back to Bonus Builder AI and say, take out those images. They aren't working, right? Or replace them with another image and just tell it to do that. It'll take out the images. And you can mess around with it. But it created a pretty good page here with your bonuses, advertising your bonuses and total bonus value. It didn't put in the value. And then how do I claim bonuses? And it tells you. And then it gives you a spot to put in your email, so you can go in the code and put in your email. Or like I said, you can just tell Bonus Builder AI to add your email to it. So you can say, add my email to the first question. It should do it for you. But it creates a pretty nice little page where you can send your traffic to, and people can click on the links and go buy the product and get your bonuses. So this is a pretty nifty little tool, and I've been using it to create some pages. I've created several pages with it. This page, guys, and I'll show you the 4 bonuses that I created. The 7-day affiliate asset builder. So stop just making sales and start building a real asset. This guide is the secret blueprint to leveraging your new Bonus Builder AI pages to go from 0 to 100 subscribers in just 7 days. The 10-minute traffic cheat sheet. You have the perfect bonus page, but where's the traffic? This cheat sheet reveals 3 free instant methods to drive hyper-targeted, buyer-ready traffic to your new Bonus Builder AI page in under 10 minutes. The Contest Crusher strategy. This is yours free as well. How small affiliates appear on the leaderboard. This is the secret strategy, guys. And the last one is the Super Affiliate Offer Selection Matrix. The biggest mistake affiliates make is promoting the wrong product. This will help you pick the right products. So just go down here and click on the link and go buy Bonus Builder AI through my link. You will get all 4 of these bonuses. And that's it for me, guys. I will see you in the next video.